Hi, this is Rich from Sunrise Prints, and today I'm going to show you how to take your PNG file and get it ready to print on your DTF printer. Now, the first thing we're going to need to do is open this in Photoshop. So let me take my PNG that we saved from Canva, open it up in Photoshop, and the first thing that we're going to need to do is change this file's colors. Okay, the file colors start in red, green, and blue. But in order for them to work on DTF, they need to be in cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So the way I'm going to do that is first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on layers. Then I'm going to hit my select button. I'm going to come back down here to the layers button. But before I do anything, I'm going to hold my control key and then click on the layer. Notice how all the images now have a black line around them. Then I will go up to image and mode, change it from red, green, blue color to cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Now let's add our extra layer on there because we have to have a white layer in the back in order to print the DTF. So first thing I want to do is modify this a little bit. I don't want my white on the back to be exactly to the edge of everything. I want it just to be a little shorter. So 1 pixel should be enough to do that. Once I contract it to 1 pixel, I'll come over here and I'll add a spot layer. Now what I did was I made mine red just so that I could see it, because if you notice some of these images are white. And I would not be able to see them if I had done this in white. So the color I see is red, but what's actually going to happen is it's going to add another layer that's going to be white on our DTF printer. From here, I'm going to confirm my size. My image size should be 16 by 72. This one's a little large, so I'm going to change it 16. And this one's actually going to come out to 16 by 83, and that's okay. It's a little bit bigger because it's a longer image. I'll click OK. There's no reason to crop it because it's already the right size. And then I'm just going to save it. I like to lay mine. I've already got a bunch of Gangsheets going, so this is going to be Gangsheet number 18 for today. And this is for one of my customers. And that's it. You just added an extra layer on to get your print DTF ready. Look up Sunrise Prints on Facebook if you have any questions. www.facebook.com/sunriseprints1000.